Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video we're doing a 2-year review of the Panasonic Lumix Fz80, one of my favorite cameras, and it is super zoom. I am going to show you a video of the 8.5 mile super zoom video of what it would look like when you zoom 8.5 miles away, what you will get from this camera. I'm also going to show you a video of the phases of the Moon Eclipse that happened in May of 2022. Now sit back, relax, and let's have some fun. Now let's go. Hey guys, here is a video of the eclipse approximately 15 minutes into the process, and you will actually get to see the moon moving, and it's because of the rotation of the earth and the moon. Alright guys, so in this part of the video you are seeing the eclipse going into approximately 25 minutes of the process. Okay, this part of the video you will see the eclipse going into approximately 35 minutes into the full eclipse process. Hey guys, so what you see here is approximately 55 minutes into the full process of the eclipse. Hey guys, so here is a photo of the full eclipse, and one of the most powerful things for this camera is actually the photo function. And what you will see here is approximately 7:30 in terms of direction. You will see that we've actually captured the Scorpius constellation, and this camera continues to wow me in what it can do. Alright guys, so now finally I am going to show you what the super zoom capability of the camera looks like when we look at destinations about 8.5 to 9 miles away. Alright guys, so the Orlando airport is 9 miles away from me, and there is the airport. There goes the tower. Let's see how much more we can zoom in. There it is. There goes the tower. Alright guys, let me show you something on this camera. What I am videotaping you, that's about 9 miles away. Where I'm zooming in now is part of iDrive, and iDrive is in Orlando, Florida. And look how close you could actually see the details. And look, we're still going in. And this is the maximum. We're at maximum zoom. And you can see the details. So this is still an awesome camera. Welcome back, my friends, and we hope you enjoyed the show. Please make sure you are subscribed to our channel so you will not miss another fantastic video from our channel. Please also leave a comment or share this video with your social media friends, as it will help our channel. With that said, we would like to thank you, and we hope that you will have a fantastic and a magical day.